So Twitch has a brand new way of creating clips using your voice. So if you say things like Twitch clip that, or what was it? What was the other one? Clip it. It should create a clip automatically. And then after that, you can edit it and trim it, whatever. So on their blogs, their blog posts, they have create clips with your voice. You can also create clips with your voice while streaming. Say Twitch clip that. I'm making a bunch, like I'm live right now and I'm making a lot of clips out loud during your live broadcast, and Twitch will automatically create a clip for you during your live stream when a moment happens that you want and you say the magic words.
Way too long to do this.
Say this out loud. Twitch captures the moment and generates a clip automatically. You'll receive a notification letting you know if a clip was generated successfully. Is that real? I don't think I got notifications the other day when I was making mine. Why are they lying? Why you always
Twitch
lying? Stop, because CTS actually does it, so it will create a clip. Your clip appears in your clips manager, ready to review, edit, or share. Congrats, you clipped it. You'll receive a clip URL to copy and share. Okay, but just normal clip thing.
Twitch
No.
clip that.
There is the auto clip thing, the AI auto clip, where it just randomly takes clips because it feels like, you know, I don't know, you got an alert, you got excited or something like that.
TTS is all powerful.
It really is. All right, so let's let's refresh this page and see how many clips we just created. Just one. Not in this blog, but I did see a blog that said that it might take like 30 minutes or something like that
Your
to be
work is
created.
so amazing.
So yeah, I don't think it's instant. I think like by the end of this stream, basically we're gonna have all of that. But yeah, it's gonna be weird. I just realized, if I play this clip and you hear me say those words in this clip, it's probably going to create another clip.
You're a big reason I do Twitch.
So Twitch has a brand new way of creating clips using your voice. So if you say things like Twitch clip that, or what was it? What was the other one? Yeah, one of the things that I don't like about it is that it includes you saying to clip it. I don't like that. I even yell at my viewers when they make clips and include that. It's like, who wants to watch a clip? Or like, I mean, it depends on the situation. But for my clips, if I'm clipping something, there's something interesting, right? Just put the interesting part. If I say to clip it, I don't know, it feels weird after that. It's awkward. It's like, oh, clip it, you know? Don't put that. Don't put that. Why can't you make it so that when I say clip it, you clip it right before I said clip it, right? Go back a couple minutes. Figure out when I said it.
You can edit that part out.
You know? Yes, you can, but like, why include it? Why include it? Why is it necessary to put it in the first place? Would save me some time. Actually, like, I might not even have to touch anything and just immediately publish,
A
you know?
clip button on your deck will always be better than a voice command.
True. 100%. And I do have one, actually. It's right there. Look at that. It's my little clip button, and it's a multi-action. It does a OBS Studio replay buffer. It does a ADOM vertical clip replay buffer. It does a stream marker for Twitch.
CV hotkey is key.
And it creates a Twitch clip.
Sometimes the streamer's reaction saying OMG clip that is greater than whatever is being clipped.
True. I definitely can think of a few situations where the streamer was yelling clip it and it was cool. Like it was part of the clip and it's what made the clip interesting, you know, but yeah, I wish they didn't put that, or maybe as an option.
I actually prefer clips where the streamer yells Don T clip that. I think I need to set up one of this buttons.
Yes, if you have a Stream Deck, it's a lifesaver. If you don't have a Stream Deck, you can set it up with StreamerBot. Someone was saying at first, at least, you couldn't edit the captions out. It was baked into it. I'm glad to say that they fixed that. For me, I can remove the captions, no issues whatsoever. So that's pretty cool. Someone said they turned it off and it still clips stuff. Oh, it's not adding more. We're good. We're chilling. Let's figure out where do you turn that off? So under settings, stream, scroll down a little bit and you'll see enable clips. You want to make sure it's not sub only, and then allow viewers to add captions. Add captions when using clip that. You can turn that off by default, I guess. Create clips with voice command. You can turn that off. And then clips visibility. Let viewers upload clips to their socials, basically share your clips to their socials directly from Twitch. You can do that. So what we should try now is to turn off create clips with voice When enabled, saying Twitch clip that during the live stream will create a clip of the last 30 seconds. So I have it turned off. Twitch, clip it. Feel free to join chat. Twitch, clip that. Twitch, clip it. Hey, yo, Twitch, clip it. Clip that.
Twitch clip that.
Twitch, clip it. Twitch, clip that. Twitch, clip that. Twitch, clip that. Twitch, clip that.
If Bezzy was watching, gimme some money, Jeffy babes.
Clip it. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. I'm gonna have 30 clips. Twitch, you should clip that. Twitch, maybe think about clipping that. We seem to be good, chat. Yeah, no, okay.
Yes.
It doesn't seem to be working when it's not working. One thing that I say is that if you are the type of person who has a keyboard shortcut for clipping, who has a Stream Deck button for clipping, who has a StreamerBot command, maybe even a voice command for clipping before this thing came out, and you kept on forgetting to clip stuff, guess what? Guess what? You're gonna forget this one too. Probably, maybe. I'm not trying to discourage you. This is an amazing feature. I'm so happy that Twitch implemented this. And yeah, that's it. Follow me on Twitch. I didn't look at follow me on Twitch. Realized I didn't look at the camera when I said that.